Those men with the hoods, they are not like the rest of the army.
Namaste.
They're faster, deadlier.
Someone, please help!
Hi, Ajay.
I don't know what to... I know you. You're with Sabal. You can help me.
Slow down. What's going on?
The royal army is holding my cousins and aunt. They say they're helping the Golden Path, giving them supplies.
Namaste.
getting me lightheaded.
Spread out and start looking! Shoot anything suspicious!
They're all dead!
This can't be! He is here and active. Let's bring him down. Look for anything out of the ordinary. Kidhar
I
gaya?
said find the killer! And Jodh, this is a massacre!
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Praise
I
the
can't
gods.
believe I'm alive.
I'm alive.
Go into the basement. I'm sure you'll find something you can
Thank you. Help yourself to something from the basement.
If it wasn't for you,
I've survived once.
know what would have happened.
You're starting to make a dent in the operations, Ajay. The more people you save, the less slave labor and money Pagan makes.
Announcement from the Ministry of Communication. Radio towers in Kirat are the sole property of Pagan Min. Tampering with these towers is a serious offense. If you witness anyone attempting to scale a radio tower, you should notify your nearest Royal Army representative immediately. May Pagan's light shine upon you all. Following is an announcement from the Ministry of Public Affairs and Social Harmony. Royal Army patrols are for your safety and the security of Kirat. Be sure to give them the right of way at all times and avoid any sudden movements when approaching them.
Kirat. This is Rabbi Ray Rana, and you're listening to Radio Free Kirat. Let's hear some tunes. OMG, Ajay Gale. Bhaijan, I would like to shake your hand. I have been keeping an eye on you. You are doing really good work.
So you're the guy on the radio?
Yeah, that's me. The voice of Radio Free Kirat, Rabbi Ray Rana. Look, you fight with your brawn, but I fight with my words. And you know the old saying, the pen is mightier than the sword. I mean, after all, I'm like a Rush Limbaugh, but with soul and a conscience. Besides, the more people I turn away from Pagan, the less people you have to fight.
Can't argue with that.
Still, there's only so much I can do from here. I spread the truth, and I take the liars down a peg, but someone needs to get their hands dirty. And come on, look at me and Chotu. I mean, Chotu's dirty, but it's not like we can mess people up. The only guns we use are water guns, and come on, man, that's why I have this radio show. You have the broad shoulders and biceps to take down evil. You've been tearing down propaganda posters, which is great, but Pagan's propaganda machine is kicking it up a notch in response. His men are setting up temporary propaganda centers, and those places are churning out the bullshit 24/7, yaar.
So what do we do?
You see all this hardware? I built it myself, man. I mean, you think Chotu helps? Come on, look at the guy. He's got body and mind dyslexia. The dude is practically worthless. I use this stuff to monitor Royal Army radio channels, and I've managed to locate one of these centers.
And you want me to put it out of commission?
Hearts and minds, Ajay. Hearts and minds. We can't have Pagan contaminating the population with all his bullshit.
And this will stop the propaganda?
No way, not even close, but don't worry. I'll track down the new propaganda centers whenever they appear, and then I'll relay the details to you. Meanwhile, you should go do what you do best. Go fuck up those members, man. Take out that first center. Oh shit, I gotta go back. Hey, thank you so much for coming. Hey, Chotu, make him some chai. Bhai, chai banao, bhai. Sorry, this is not a first-class hotel, but we do what we can. Are you hot? Should we turn on the AC? Chotu, AC ko lagao, bhai. Sorry, it's really hot in here. It's like a hot box, man. It feels like Guantanamo Bay up in here. It's so great meeting you, man. Hey, we are back. You are tuned into Radio Free Kirat with Rabbi Ray Rana. We've had some questions from our loyal listeners. This is coming from...
I'm going to gut you!
Scream for me! Scream!
You are ready to take your head off! God! Cover me! Reload!
Are for your safety and the security of Kirat. Be sure to give them the right of way at all times and avoid any sudden movements when approaching them. Any orders received from Royal Army patrols must be obeyed promptly. Failure to comply may lead to severe consequences. May Pagan's light shine upon you all. Is an announcement from the Ministry of...
Those men with the hoods, they're not like the rest of the army. They're faster, deadlier.
Hello.
Those men with the hoods,
Good to
they're
see you,
not like
Ajay.
the rest of the army. They're faster, deadlier.
What was it like to fight the
Have your back. All we know of them are stories.
labor, police brutality, civil war. These are not good times, my Kirati brothers and sisters. But who's responsible for all this plight? Pagan Min. Let's say it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, Pagan Min. Yes, the man's name sounds like a Cantonese death metal band. Pagan Min. Yes, he looks like he stole...
Stop it! Take him out! Don't
kill you!
I'm going to leave you in a... Shut off! For the king! Grenade! Take cover! You don't stand a chance! You are dead, me! You're going to die here! You should just give up! This is where you die! I'm going to enjoy killing you!